Assalamu alaikum. Miyadu mikiyaldani loanange application hushalani du. Application form hushalani My Education portal le. Eme furata My Edu portal le login velani. Portal le login veli ma fennare loan scheme ge dashu mihar alme hulwala furfurse. E yala kiyavan fasha darwaruna shamihar kiyavan munda darwaruna hulwala furfurse. Alakiyavan fasha faratakum me balani loan ge fursat hulwala application hushalo madifa wasungadi ge niyala university ge register le fanwa farata. Mihar kiyavan da faratakum me balani loan ge fursat hulwala application hushalo madifa wasungadi ge purin fasha fawa farata. Adu me ge turo me bag ge dashun hulwala me pop loan na. Ei mikol ge loan scheme ge dashun kiyavan munda farata ka darwar ge tiaru berun dima wasaba ka hure. Wata mihar furiam kuri programa kuliken hatanche internship hedman hulwala fursate. Mikiyaldani alakiyavan fasha darwarun application hushala manike. Mihar mi fennani mi scheme ge dashun hulwala fawa fursate. Mifar hulwala fawa in highly technical dairataka. Mi dairata training needs requirement yenar list faha kure fawa. Mihar me dakkalani application laane koi. Emme furata me apply kura daira ki TNR list ki himene daira ki check kollani. Algu nehtiyar kura daira ki highly technical daira ka vi mihar form me husharalani highly technical slot. Emme furata ma koha be mawdumat ta fill kollani. Den guarantee be mawdumat ta fill kollani. Maybe fill kollama fahu application a beno wa documents den attach kollani. Mehar men the documents den attach kolla for den courier dani. Den O level la A level la high education abe mawdumat ta fill kolla for courier dani. Den application ga fill kolla fa mawdumat ta yakin kolla wa fa submit a fital dani.